So, we all know Disney is the king of animation, but what if AI could do the same? Today, I'm putting artificial intelligence to the test. Can AI truly animate like Disney, or is it just a dream? Welcome to Hassan in Tech Automation. If you love AI, animation, and crazy experiments like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. First things first, how does Disney animation even work? Disney's animators spend years perfecting every single movement. They follow the 12 principles of animation, which give their characters life and energy. Now, can AI do the same in minutes? Let's start by giving AI some reference material. I'm uploading classic Disney-style sketches to train it. These are hand-drawn, full of emotion and carefully crafted. AI, on the other hand, sees these as just pixels and data points. Will it understand the magic behind them? The AI is now generating its first animation. And, oh wow, it's moving, but something feels off. The movements are stiff, and it doesn't capture the flow Disney is famous for. Let's refine it. This time, I'm feeding it real Disney animations, frame by frame, to help it learn motion. AI should now understand how fluid movement works. Processing, and here's the result. Okay, it's better. The movements are smoother, but the expressions? Still not quite right. The soul of Disney animation is missing. Let's take this a step further. I'll manually adjust AI's animation and blend it with human touch, adding in subtle movements, secondary motion, and stretch and squash effects. Here's the final AI animated Disney scene. And wow, this is insane. It actually looks closer to something Disney might make. But can it truly replace human animators? The answer is not yet. AI is getting better, but Disney animators put emotion into every frame. AI can mimic, but it doesn't feel. So what do you think? Will AI ever be able to fully replace animators, or is Disney's magic safe? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI versus human challenges.